Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm educating you on the X39 patch directions. And toward the end of the video, I'm going to reveal my personal favorite placement for the X39 patch on my body. So the X39 patch is designed to help enhance your well-being by supporting your body's natural energy flow. You've probably already tapped into that information and know that that is the crux of how the patch works. So I'm going to make it super easy for you to understand how best to apply the patch, where to put it, etc. But before we dive in, please take a moment, if you would, to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who wants to learn more about wellness. Okay, so this is a simple, non-invasive way to improve your health and vitality. This little patch is gaining popularity for its ease of use and its promising benefits. And some people don't get the most out of the LifeWave wellness patches. It's true. They don't, because they don't understand the directions and the guidance that their sponsor, I'm sure, is offering them. So these patches come with illustrated instructions that show two spots that LifeWave used when they did their research. And these happen to be two very powerful acupressure points. So where are those two placement points? Well, one is on the back of the neck. And if you put your chin down to your chest, you'll feel a bone pop out on the back of your neck, and that's the spot. The other placement is about 2 finger widths below your belly button. Now, we've been told by David Schmidt that X39, and actually the same is true for the X49 patch as well, that they can go anywhere on the body and still provide wonderful benefits. So, if you have an area of discomfort, you may want to apply the patch over or near that area to provide your body with some extra support. Now, some folks have questions about wearing the patch during activities like showering and exercising, and it's also common to wonder if you're using the patch consistently enough to see real results. Now, these are valid questions that can make or break your experience with these wellness patches. So, to get the most out of your X39 LifeWave patch, you should start by cleaning and drying the area where you want to apply it. The patch works best on skin that's free of lotions, oils, and dirt. Next, you're going to peel off the backing. So on the back of these patches, there's 2 little pieces of paper. You'll peel off the backing and press the patch firmly onto your skin. But here's the other thing we've been told by David, is that if for some reason you don't like putting these patches on your skin, you can put these on the inside or outside of your clothing, and they will work just as well. They're turned on by the infrared light and heat coming off of your body, and these patches sense it even when it's on your clothing. So keep that in mind. Now, leave the patch on for up to 12 hours a day, and then you're going to want to give your body a break from it for 12 hours before you apply a fresh patch the following day. Now, you can rotate the patch site or placement with each use. And you'll also want to remember to stay well hydrated. That is very important because these patches work off the bioelectrical system of our body. The better hydrated we are, the better they work. It's also a good idea to keep track of how you're feeling while using the patches, so you can take notes of any changes or shifts you notice in your health and wellness, because you'd be surprised. Sometimes you forget where you started and what an amazing effect they have had. The benefits of consistent use with the X39 LifeWave patch are impressive. I hear stories all the time, and if you're on my LifeWave team and attend our Zoom meetings, you'll hear them too. It's one of my favorite things about being a LifeWave brand partner is I get to hear the impact that this little patch is making on others' lives, and it's exciting and rewarding to be a part of it. Really is. So while everyone's experience is unique, the general consensus is that the X39 LifeWave patch can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. And by committing to regular use, you can potentially unlock the patch's full potential. Now, I promised you that I'd reveal my personal favorite placement for the X39 patch when it comes to my own body. And that place is below the belly button. You know, it is different for everyone, but for me, I love the patch anywhere center line below my navel. I shift it slightly every other day, so I don't kind of overuse any one point day after day after day. So that's just the way I roll with this patch, and I'm still getting wonderful benefits. And I've been using this patch since 2019. So in summary, using the LifeWave X39 patch is straightforward and can be a great way to support your well-being. By applying it correctly and using it consistently, you can potentially enjoy its many, many benefits. And if you're looking for a simple way to enhance your wellness, this patch is definitely worth considering. So if you've had any experiences with the X39 patch or other LifeWave patches, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, please feel free to contact me. My email address is in the description below. I would love to hear from you. And feel free to ask questions or check out my other videos for more tips and insights. And before you go, again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to learn more about wellness. Thanks for watching.